Write your law deep in my soul, not on stone but on my heart. So me no forget, me live by your command. But wake up with the word on my mind, 10 commands so pure, so divine. Not just for read, me live them true. Each step me take, me think go true. Number one, Jah love me serve. You give me more than me ever deserve. Written on my heart, like sunrise in the dark. Commandments of the King, give my soul a song for sing. Me walk in holy part, the truth as me charge. 10 laws of love, written on my heart. 2, no idol in my space. Me worship Jah in spirit and grace. 3, my lips not take his name in vain. Me speak life even in my pain. 4, Sabbath my treasure and hold. Time for Jah more precious than gold. Me no rebel, me no stray. Jah keep me every day. Meet the light in every line. Commandments sweet like reggae rhyme. 5, me rise and bless my mother. Me honor my father like no other. Me solve one woman, the soul can hear. Inna me a deep, me hand them clean. 9, my lips speak the truth alone. Me not twist word or cast a stone. 10, my heart content, me envy none. My joy come from the holding on my heart, like sunrise in the dark. Commandments of the King, give my soul a song to sing. Walk in holy part, the truth has been sure. 10 laws of love, written on the heart. Yeah, 10 laws of love, 10 laws from above. We carry them close. Jah light in my prose.